guys, it's Emily. Welcome back to my channel. I have a special happy mail to share with you today. So you all know that I use the Barely Art glue, and they had this awesome event this year for Christmas. It was called Craftmas, and basically you signed up online and put in, information about what you like to craft and things like that. And then you got paired up with someone else, and then it was like a Secret Santa. So they didn't pair us up like one-to-one. So my gift went to somebody different than the gift that I received. Does that make sense? So anyway, I received this amazing gift from my new friend, Marlene. Hi, Marlene. And I am in love with all of it. And I wanted to share it with you. So this box, first of all, I mean, how stinking cute. I love polka dots and the stripes and everything. It's just so adorable. Yeah, so let's get inside. So first of all, I want to share with you, and I'm going to put a link to Marlene's Facebook page in the description box below, because she makes the most adorable cards and other paper crafts. Look at how stinking cute this little shaker card is. Do you see all the little pieces in there? There's like peppermint candies and little gingerbreads, and I am just absolutely in love with this card. It is just perfect in every single way. And look at that, she left it blank. But I'm not going to give this away. I'm keeping this. This is so cool. It's going to go in my friendship journal when and if I get around to making that. But her Facebook page is Picket Fence Studios. And like I said, I will link in the description box. So please go check her out, like her page. She was doing online sales this year because all the craft fairs were kind of, not happening because of COVID and everything. So yeah, go check out her page. She makes some really cool stuff. All right, so first of all, let's start here. Look at how cute this is. I love it. And inside are some awesome little metal skeleton keys. How stinking cute are those? Oh, I love those so much. I'm sort of a sucker for skeleton keys and metal and, that kind of stuff. I love it. And then we have, this, I love this so much, this idea. So how cute is that with the little crocheted lace and everything? And then she made this box. I love it. And inside is chocolate. I mean, come on. So cute. I love that so much. And then let's see. I didn't open this fully all the way because I wanted to show you how pretty the packaging is. I mean, she even made the little topper for the bag. So I'm going to go ahead and open it. And I'm going to try. You know what? You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to cut so I can save the topper, because that is just too cute to destroy in any way. And then there's this adorable little altered, probably a mini composition book is my guess. Look how cute this is. I love that so much. Oh, look, there's a little tag. How cute. Yeah, she's so talented. Oh, I didn't even see that. Look, it has an E on it. Oh, I love that so much. Oh my gosh, Marlene, thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. That is so cute. All right, and then look at this. I am so excited. I'm going to make some snowmen for next year. I'm going to make some snowmen now, but, I will save them for next year. I love them so much. He is so cute. So cute. All right, and then we have some really cool metal stickers. Oh, where did this come from? That came from something. They're metal. So cool. Little stickers. I love those. And then these as well are metal snowflakes. They kind of, how the stickers always shift in the packaging, right? But how cute are those? Let me push that back down. Yeah, I love those so much. And then, oh, my favorite, Tim Holtz ephemera. You can never have too much. And then look, the Christmas pack. I'm so excited. Now I want to make more Christmas journals. So cute. And then some itty bitty tags. Very cute. Those will be fun. I love the craft color, and they're nice and small. And then this is fun. This is a banner. So I might have to do something and decorate that and put it up in my craft room. I love that so much. And then, you know, the box itself is enough of a gift. So Marlene, thank you. From the bottom of my heart, you went above and beyond. I love everything that you made, everything that you, I am in awe of everything. I appreciate it so much. This was so fun. I really hope that they do this again next year. And yeah, I'm not sure what to tell you as far as how to get notified about it. I think I'm on their email list. So if you're interested for next year, I would say go and sign up for the Barely Art email list on their website. And I will try to remember to link to their website in the description box as well, so you can check that out. And yeah, so Merry Christmas, Marlene. You have made my Christmas even more special. And I look forward to getting to know you more. So yeah, super awesome. Go check out her Facebook page. And yeah, I will see you guys soon. So happy holidays, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year a little early. I will be back before, I think maybe before New Year's Eve. But yeah, all right guys, stay safe, stay healthy, and I will talk to you soon.